Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing your bank account grow by $100, $500, or even $1,000 without lifting a finger. Does it sound too good to be true? Well, what if I told you it's possible with the magic of artificial intelligence? Stay tuned to learn how you can start generating passive income with AI today. Forget the traditional 9-to-5 job. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how I unlock the power of AI to make money while I sleep, and you can do exactly the same. First things first, let's define passive income. Simply put, it's money you earn without actively working for it, like getting paid while you sleep, relax on the couch, or travel the world. The idea is to set up systems that keep working for you long after you've done the hard work. Now this is where the magic of AI comes in. Artificial intelligence can automate tasks, create content, and even run businesses on autopilot. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to do it. Tools like InVideo, for example, can automatically create videos that get views, grow channels, and make you money, all with a few clicks. Let me show you how it works. I created a fully automated YouTube channel using InVideo. No editing skills required, no equipment needed. The AI takes care of everything. Writing scripts, creating videos, even designing thumbnails. All I had to do was set it up, and boom! The videos start generating money through ads and affiliate links, all while I'm out doing what I want. Ready to get started? It's easier than you think. Here's how you can start right now. 1. Choose your niche. Find a topic you enjoy or something you know a lot about. 2. Sign up for AI tools like InVideo. There's a free version to try. 3. Create your first video. Choose a template, customize it, and let the AI do the work. 4. Monetize your content. Use ads, affiliate marketing, or sell digital products. Just like that, you've set up a passive income stream. People all over the world are doing this, and the results are crazy. Hundreds of dollars a day, without having to work a single extra hour. This is the future of making money, and you can be a part of it, starting today. So what are you waiting for? Don't let the future pass you by. Set up your AI-powered income system now, and let the money roll in while you relax, travel, or live your best life. This is your chance to unlock the freedom you've been dreaming of. Let's make it happen. Subscribe for more tips on making money with AI.